let's make some clouds in Blender. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the shading workspace. We're going to go to the camera view. And by default, we have the principled BDSF. Now, it's to the surface. Now, a cloud is a volume type object. So we're going to delete this. Shift A, search, and we're going to search for volume. So VOL and principal volume. Here we go. We're going to connect volume to volume. And sometimes it takes a little bit to load. There we go. I had to kind of move around. And we can kind of see like this fuzz. So let's actually make this into a cloud. Now, what we can do is we're going to do Shift A, search. We're going to search for texture coordinate. Here we go. Shift A, search, and we're going to search for, let's see, brand. Yeah, we're going to search for a noise texture. White noise. Search A, search. We're going to search for a mapping. We're going to connect generated to vector. Now we're going to connect vector to vector for the noise texture. Shift A, search. We're going to search for a color ramp. Connect the value to the factor. And before you connect the color to the density, what we want is a math node. Shift A, search. We're going to search for math. Here's math. Instead of add, we're going to change it to multiply. So we connect color to here. Change this value to, let's say, 5. And now connect the value to the density. So if I change the black stopper, we can see we can actually change how much of noise is inside of it here. So let's change the white, go back here a little bit. So let's change this to, let's say, 2, 1. Let's do 5. 5's pretty good. Oh, wait a second. I'm a white noise. Shift A, search. I need noise. I need a noise texture. Vector goes to here, and the factor goes to here. That explains it. There we go. So you can kind of see this is already starting to look like clouds. What's cool about this is because we have the mapping, we can actually animate the clouds moving. So let's go into render view. And let's change the world to be 0. And then let's grab the light, G. And let's change the light strength to be a bit brighter. There we go. And then let's add some more holes in our clouds. And that looks pretty good. So we have a box of clouds. Now, what's really cool about this, the setup, is we can also render this as a transparent background. So if we go to the render icon, if we go under film, there's a transparent. If we check the transparent, we can see the background becomes transparent. So if I do render image, it'll render this with a transparent image. So this is really cool because now we can use this as a asset, as just a image. So that was a real quick way of not only how to have a transparent background in Blender, but also how to make quick clouds in Blender.